Good morning and welcome to another day in the life of a blacksmith's wife. Today it's not just the blacksmith's wife though, we also have the blacksmith joining me. And we're doing a bit of running of errands and doing several different things. Stopping into our woodworker and gonna swing by sofa and we'll see what else we get into. So we'll start there and take a look around. Our woodworker's not in yet, so we're going to take a look at some of this art that's hanging around here and probably swing by the scrapyard. Finished up running our errands in Dayton and we drove up here to Troy and for the blacksmith meeting, and it turns out they're kind of just doing a bit of working in there, just catching up. They didn't really have a demo today, but I did get permission to film inside the building, so I'll show you a little round sofa if you've never been up here before. And just behind me is the sofa sign and also the bench that Peter Bruner made, and Roy helped with it a couple of quad states back, and I'll show you that too. Finished up at the Blacksmith Club, and since Grandma has the kids, we decided to have a little date night, so we're gonna have some Mexican food. All right, well, that is going to be the end of this vlog. We
Yep.
have had a very adventurous day today. We're hiking right now at the Inglewood Metro Park, and we've had a lovely time here. The mosquitoes are up a little bit, but we
Yeah,
still got to
a
see.
lot. You wouldn't know how many bites I endured to get that shot you just watched.
Yeah. You had to stand still and they were on you.
Yep.
So I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog, and why don't you go ahead and comment down below what you spent today doing. We'd love to hear some feedback from you guys as well, and we're hoping you having a terrific Sunday. That's the day that this video will come out on, and we will catch you on the next video, so take care.
God bless everybody. See ya.